We've all been there. Bills pile up, unexpected expenses pop up, and suddenly that paycheck you earned feels miles away. What if there was a way to access your earned wages before your official payday? Enter DailyPay, an employer-sponsored service that allows you to get an early glimpse of your hard-earned cash. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But before you jump in, a crucial question arises. How long does it take for DailyPay to update with your latest earnings? This video dives deep into that question and everything else related to DailyPay update times. We'll explore how the system works, the factors affecting update speed, and some helpful tips to ensure a smooth experience. So, buckle up, grab a coffee or your beverage of choice, and let's get financially informed. The DailyPay dance. How it works. Imagine DailyPay as a bridge between your employer's payroll system and your bank account. Here's the basic flow. You clock in. As you diligently work your shift, your hours are logged in your employer's timekeeping system. Data transfer. This system then transmits your worked hours to DailyPay, usually within 24 hours, although some employers might take up to 3 business days. Earning magic. DailyPay receives this data and estimates your earned wages based on your pay rate and worked hours. This magic happens after accounting for deductions and taxes. Don't worry, you'll get the full picture on your actual payday. Early access. Voila! Your estimated earnings appear in your DailyPay account. Now you can choose to transfer this amount to your bank account, either for free the next day or for a small instant transfer fee. While the 24-hour window is the golden standard, several factors can influence your DailyPay update times. Employer integration. The way your employer's system communicates with DailyPay can affect speed. Some integrations might be more streamlined than others. Shift timing. If your shift ends after a specific cutoff time, usually around 6 p.m. for some employers, your earnings might not reflect until the next day. Payday cycle. DailyPay might need to adjust for your company's specific pay cycle, which can cause slight variations in update times. Pro tips for a speedy DailyPay experience. Here are some handy tips to ensure your DailyPay experience runs smoothly. Talk to your HR. Get the lowdown on your company's specific DailyPay integration details, including any cutoff times for shift ending and potential delays. The early bird gets the update. Try to clock in and out of your shifts on time. This ensures your worked hours are reported accurately and promptly. App it up. Download the DailyPay app for real-time updates on your available earnings. You can also use it to initiate transfers conveniently. Remember, DailyPay is an amazing tool for managing your cash flow, but it's crucial to use it responsibly. Don't fall into the trap of living paycheck to paycheck, even with early access. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.